Guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem of features on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of features on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Snapchat, and you click here. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi, and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.